Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily, semi-daily. Been taking a little break lately. Technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the video. Bitcoin has broken the $40,000 levels. Now in this video, we're going to go over what we need to watch for in order to get the best price in this next move higher. Now currently, I'm still up. Those of you in the Patreon who averaged in alongside me are still up because we got in around these 6.2 levels. Alright? And we are but we are approaching this double bottom. What we need to see is a strong big green candle pushing higher than these 846 levels within the next 2 days. Okay? Preferably within the next day. Not today, but tomorrow. If we see that, that's a very bullish sign that we are creating a double bottom, and it is a confirmation candle to add more to your positions. If that happens, I will be adding more. However, if we continue to the downside and we get below these 6.2 levels, if we break these 6 levels, I'm adding in the 5s no matter what. No matter what, I will be averaging more in. So, let's drop these time frames. I don't know if you guys can tell. I just got some Invisalign on if I sound a little bit different. But yeah, I got to get the teeth looking nice. So, alright, this is the 2 hourly candles. We're going to look at these right now. We have tested the previous bottom, the 765 levels one time already. And it held, okay? Held, boom, went up, back down. Now it's holding again somewhat. Volume is thickening up. So it's looking pretty good. However, we want to see us break these 789 levels within the next 2 hours. If we can see that within the next 2 hours, that would be a great sign that we will be continuing to the upside. Now, it's going to be very, very bullish if we see that within the next 2 hours. However, if we see it within, these are 15-minute candles, okay? We want to see us hit support right here, all right? If I could have the level 2 up right now, I could tell you exactly what we're looking at if buyers are stepping in right now. Another way to do that is to drop even lower to the 5 minutes, okay? So it doesn't look like buyers are stepping in right now simply because red candles with volume selling off. We haven't seen a push up, push back, but then again, we haven't broken these 756 levels at this previous support line, which is a good thing. So we want to see a green candle pushing up higher than these 7.6 levels within the next 10 minutes on these 5-minute candles. All right. Now this is day trading stuff, and I love day trading. It's fun. We are continuing to make higher lows. They're not in the most perfect trend line. However, they are higher lows. Don't get me wrong. So if we do break below this, that means that is our first divergence, and we have broken the pattern of continuation to the upside in this upward trend line here. So that's on the 5-minute candles. Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. All right, we got to keep perspective. Now, the smaller candle and time frames are just for averaging in to get the best price. Now, I can do that all by myself, and you guys don't even have to worry about that. If you would like that, join the Patreon, real-time buy and sell alerts. I'll alert you guys whenever the best time is to average in, and I do believe we are coming to one of those good times right now before our next move higher. Remember, we were basing around those $34,000 levels a couple weeks ago. All right, we have just broken the $40,000 levels after we spiked back up to around the $47,000. Okay, so we are looking very nice right now. We are looking very bullish, and we need to stay tuned. Those of you in the Patreon, get ready because I might have some real-time buy and sell alerts coming your way real soon. It has been dead these last couple weeks just because we are not seeing too much price action in the markets, all right? It's simply just retracing a little bit, creating those higher lows before we move to the upside. But I will alert you guys whenever I will be adding more to my position. If you're interested in joining the Patreon, I'll leave a link in the description. But even on the YouTube, I'll alert you guys that I have added to my position. It just won't be in real time. It will be late. These are the weekly candles. Let's zoom out to the monthly. Monthly. Boom. Okay, you see what we're seeing here? Now, this isn't too bullish. However, it's not too bearish either. Let's look at this. Boom, boom. We have, last month we came down, tested these 786 levels, showed some strong buying pressure, moved higher. Boom. Started this month out. It broke through these 618 levels. That's when we saw Bitcoin and the overall market move upwards, okay? Now it's retracing again, all right? It's retracing. Which makes me want to go over to Bitcoin and actually look at what it's doing right now in the price action. I have not looked in a good little second, so let's see. These are the daily candles. We are creating some sort of support with higher lows. See, it's a good thing. Everything's happening perfectly right now, okay? We're just scaring out those retail investors that don't have diamond hands before we really do move to the upside. We have broken this downtrend, okay? Have broken this downtrend. And we need to watch, okay? We need to watch. This is our new trend. And where's the, it is right here. It is rectangle, okay. We have this rectangle we need to watch as well, all right? This is what we're looking at here. Now, if we want to get real jiggy with it, we can pull out the Fibonacci retracement level as well. So these are the levels that is most likely to catch support at. This range is the previous support based on previous price action. And this is our previous downtrend line that we have broken out of. This is our current resistance line that we need to break out of. All right. So we are showing some nice green pressure in this Fibonacci level. We want to close above these $38,000 levels today. If we can do that, it's a very bullish sign that we are closing above this 0.618 Fibonacci level and will show support and move up to the upside, breaking these $39,000, again, $40,000 levels within the next few days. Now, we are mostly showing support off of this previous resistance here on this rectangle. It's a great sign, great sign. So, we just need to be patient and wait, see what the price action is in Bitcoin, because that will reflect over here. And remember, once Bitcoin starts to spike, if this spikes 10%, this spikes 20 to 30 to 50 to 70%, okay? So, stay tuned for those buy and sell alerts, because whenever it's a good time to buy, it's a good time to buy, and you're going to make around, at least when I bought, I made around 60% within a week, okay? So, it's a great thing, great thing. Crypto billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, my beautiful friends. I know I'm not posting daily like I used to. That's just because I got a lot going on. And there's really not much going on in the market right now. So if there was a lot going on in the market and you guys really want daily videos, I will do it for you guys. No doubt in my mind. And trust me, I will continue to do that once we see some action. But right now, it's just slow. Not many people are really even looking up into crypto right now, which is, it's pretty sad, because right now it's one of the best buying opportunities that we can get. It's weird that whenever we spike, everyone's looking into crypto and want to spend their money, but whenever we dip, no one's looking up crypto and no one wants to spend their money. And it's just psychology, and that's why people always lose money in the markets. I got some food sitting right next to me, so I'm going to eat it up and then go film for my second and third YouTube channel today. Wish me luck, my friends. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.